You know, they told me I was crazy to leave the blue sea of Liguria, the coffee, the quiet life, for a piece of desert and a dream. But when I fired up this Harley in the neon glow of Vegas, I knew I was home. And then, out there in the heat of Death Valley, I found more than just a road. I found a reason to keep riding.
I had a life in Italy, under the letter sun, but my heart was always chasing a race I hadn't run. I traded my espresso for a shot of gasoline, and swapped those narrow alleys for a heavy chrome machine. I sold the house, I packed my boots, I headed for the door, 'cause that old country rhythm couldn't hold me anymore. Now I'm red Morris, rolling on a silver frame. The Nevada desert heat is whispering my name. Just me and my Harley, kicking up the dust in the land of the free, where we ride because we must. From the lights of Las Vegas to the edge of the sky, I'm living out the dream before the well runs dry. The sun was bleeding red on the Death Valley floor. The heat was hitting hard like a desert lion's roar. Then I saw her by the roadside, like a mirage in the haze, with long blonde hair and a wild electric gaze, and those tight denim cut off curves like a mountain trail. Holding out a thumb, she was a holy grail. I pulled the throttle back, let the pipes roar loud, brought the beast to a halt in a golden sandy cloud. She looked me in the eye, said, "Where you headed, handsome man?" I smiled and told her, "Wherever the wind blows, catch me if you can." I said, "Wherever the wind blows, that's where I'm gonna be." She said, "Why not? Is there a seat for a girl like me?" Now I'm red Morris, rolling on a silver frame. The Nevada desert heat is whispering my name. It feels so surreal, like a movie on the screen, a world away from everything that I have ever seen. No more cobblestones, just a blacktop and a light, with a blue-eyed girl beside me, holding on so tight. Just following the wind, across the valley for